Isn't that something?
Oh my god.
Like the whole like the basis.
It's Cocoa and Fritz's litter
Come through here. My god.
How many
at the vets.
A lot of porties out there, Cheryl.
Yeah, I'm glad. I'm happy about that.
And you don't have to take care of them anymore.
No, not these two litters. My next litter, it'll be at my place. And that'll be January the 1st, so... Yeah, so March. It'll be March next time.
Did you ever hear how Darby's doing?
Darby's doing fantastic. Oh, God, yeah. He's in the Halifax area. He's doing really well. Yeah. Aren't they? Yeah, and this is Coco's very last litter.
Is it?
Well, she'll be 5 in December, and this is her 3rd litter, so that's it.
The foster people are the family are keeping her?
Oh yeah, my next door neighbor. So God, I couldn't take Coco from them. They'd get rid of me first. Fritz and Cocoa's litter. They're all doing great at the vets here. Today they get their shots and microchipped, and not long after that they'll be going home to their families. It's a beautiful litter. Too tired. Oh, it's just a tired baby. Did you want to sleep? Yeah. Anyway, they're being good. They're being really good. This is a strange place for them all. So, they're being pretty good. That's it for now. I'm sure they're all healthy, and they'll pass their health tests, all of them. Okay, bye-bye.